you will learn how to uninstall apps, okay, from Windows 11 PC using command line. First thing you have to know is the name of the application. In this case, I want to uninstall an application known as Opera Mini. So for me to complete this task, the first steps, all right, to take is to click on Start, all right, then click on All. This will list all apps on this PC, installed apps and their name. So let me get to Opera to be sure of the name of the application. All right, you can see here, this is recognized as Opera browser. All right, that is what I want to remove in this case. Then after that, right click on this window logo key and you will see some options. Select terminal, all right, the one that has admin. A notification will show up on your screen asking you if you want this application to make changes to your device. Please click on the Yes button. Once that is done, you'll be taken to this page. Now, let's start with the removal of the app. What you need to type is Wingate uninstall uninstall space quote the name of the application. So I have these two quotes and now I have the name of the application in between. And in this case, it is Opera browser. Okay, Opera browser. That's the name we saw then. Then use the arrow key and take your cursor to be after this quotation. All right, it's okay in the right position. Then the next step is to tap on the enter key. Press the enter key of your computer keyboard. So hold on. Then it's uninstalling. Then click on delete my Opera user data. All right, check this box and click on uninstall. It said by continuing, you will not be able to browse the internet with the safe and secure Opera browser. Your local browser data will be lost. Are you sure you want to continue? I will click on yes. And this is done. This app is uninstalled from my laptop.